The question says we should draw the voltaic cell for the following notation. Zinc anode dipped inside zinc nitrate electrolyte, and tin anode dipped inside tin 2 chloride electrolyte. 1b. If electrode potential, that is cathode potential, is equal to minus 0.14 volts and anode potential is equal to minus 0.76 volts, calculate the electromotive force of the cell. Number 1c. What is the spontaneity of the electrochemical reaction and why? The first we do is to draw the voltaic cell. So here is a diagram. Zinc is the anode because on the notation, the first element is normally the anode and the last element is the cathode. So we place zinc as the anode and the tin as a cathode, and we are set for the question. It says if electropotential of the cathode is minus 0.14 and that of the anode is minus 0.76 volts, calculate E cell, that is electromotive force of the cell. So now, remember that the electrode potential for the cathode is higher than the electrode potential for the anode. Therefore, reduction takes place at the cathode. That is why electron moves from anode to the cathode. Reduction takes place where tin 2 ion migrates to the tin cathode to accept electron, while the nitrate ion migrates to donate electron. The electron donated at the anode flows through the wire to the cathode, and that is what drives the electricity in this voltaic cell. So we come to the calculation. This is 1A. 1A. 1B says if the E cathode is this and E anode is this, calculate E itself. Electromotive force of the cell is equal to electrode potential of cation minus electrode potential of anion. Electrode potential of cathode minus electrode potential of anode. That is a formula for electromotive force of the voltaic cell. So electrode potential of cathode is minus 0.14 volts. That of anode is minus 0.76 volts. So minus 0.14 minus means plus 0.76. So we add minus 0.14 plus 0.76 means 0.76 minus 0.14. That is 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 is 10, 8, 9. Sorry, we are not adding, we are subtracting. 6 minus 4 is 2. 7 minus 1 is 6. 0 minus 0 is 0. So the answer is 0.62 volts plus 0.62 volts. That is the electromotive force of the cell. 1C. 1C says, what is the spontaneity of the electrochemical reaction and why? Now, to know if this reaction is spontaneous, that is, no additional energy is needed, you check the electromotive force. If it is positive, the reaction is spontaneous. But if it is negative, it is non-spontaneous, meaning that energy is used to drive the electron from anode to cathode. Now that it is positive, we can now say that the reaction is spontaneous. Why? Because the value of E cell is positive. That's the reason. You have a nice day.